Welcome back to the Quantum Manifestor. Today, we're not just hoping for wealth, we are activating it. We are tuning your very essence to the frequency of money, transforming you into a powerful money magnet. This is the energy that naturally and effortlessly pulls wealth, incredible opportunities, and true, lasting abundance directly toward you. Let's begin this transformation together. Find a comfortable space, quiet your mind, and take a deep, slow breath in. Hold it for a moment. And as you exhale, feel your personal energy field expanding outwards, reaching into the universe. With this simple act, you are consciously shifting your vibration, bringing yourself into perfect alignment with prosperity, overflow, and the very concept of money itself. Feel that shift happening right now. Now, let's anchor this new frequency with powerful affirmations. Repeat these words after me, not just with your voice, but with your entire being. Feel the truth of each statement resonating in your heart and mind. Let's start. Repeat with unwavering confidence. I am a powerful money magnet. Money flows to me easily and consistently. I don't have to chase it. It finds its way to me. I attract wealth from both expected and completely unexpected sources. I am always open to surprises, opportunities to make more money appear for me effortlessly. They just show up, perfectly aligned with my skills and desires. Money genuinely loves being around me. It is comfortable in my presence and seeks to stay. Every single day, with every breath I take, I become more magnetic to abundance. My energy, my very presence in a room, and my positive mindset attract wealth like a magnet attracts steel. I am fully open to receiving more money than I have ever experienced before. I release all blockages and limitations. I am deeply worthy of financial abundance and resounding success. I deserve to be wealthy. Wealth flows into my life in multiple, diverse streams. It's not just one path. It's a river fed by many tributaries. I joyfully welcome sudden and delightful miracles of money. I am ready for unexpected windfalls. I attract the perfect clients, consistent income, brilliant ideas, and amazing opportunities that consistently increase my wealth. Money sticks to me because I vibrate with the energy of abundance. It's my natural state. I am an undeniable magnet for prosperity, success, and limitless financial blessings. Let's deepen this connection. Take another slow, deep breath in, and as you hold it, visualize a brilliant, shimmering golden magnetic field forming around your entire body. See it glowing, pulsing with energy. This field is your personal magnet, actively pulling in money, wealth, incredible opportunities, the right support, and an endless stream of abundance straight to you right now. Feel it. Feel the pull. Claim it. Know that it's already happening. It is not a future event. It is a present reality. Because when your energy is perfectly aligned with abundance, when you truly believe and feel you are a money magnet, money simply cannot ignore you. It has to respond to your frequency. It is universal law. Let's seal this powerful activation with one final declaration. Say this with all the power and conviction you possess. Money is irresistibly drawn to me and I fully allow myself to receive it now. To accelerate this process and attract a significant flow of money before the end of the month, click this special link in my YouTube profile bio. And if you're ready to continue raising your financial vibration, make sure you subscribe to the Quantum Manifestor for more powerful money magnet affirmations and high-frequency manifestation content. Thank you for joining me today. Your abundant future starts now.